Alright, welcome to today's thought on the Scattered Thought. Today I have for you a lens hood for the Mavic Air 2 by DJI. Now, I've not had a chance to actually go out here and use this yet, but I do plan on going out tomorrow. Essentially, this thing is supposed to help block the ambient sunlight from the sides and the top, and things along that lines. So I'm going to probably take it out tomorrow and get some more shots to show you here in a moment, just to see what the difference is. But let's go ahead and take a look, because it's supposed to be pretty easy to install, and it seemed like it was actually light and small enough to travel well too, so that was always good. Again, this is actually by SunnyLife, and I will include down below where you can purchase it and how much it was. I don't think it was that much, but I can't recall off the top of my head. So I have no idea what I'm doing here at the moment, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit more rubbery, but it is more of a hard plastic, which I'm actually really surprised by, but it doesn't seem like it's too fragile, so it doesn't seem like it's going to break too hard. But I was expecting more of a rubbery type texture. So let's go ahead and see how quick and easy this thing is to install. Alright, so alright, so these guys here act as additional legs. So this must go down, and these must go there. Oh, okay, I see. It clicks into that same little groove that you use for the... Oh, yeah, that wasn't bad at all. And it does look like the gimbal has complete movement. However, you are going to lose some of your... No, I guess you're not really going to lose anything. Yeah, so it does give it kind of an additional footage, and it's supposed to help block off that bleeding light that you get on those really bright days. So I'll take a look at this tomorrow and see if I can get any differences. Maybe I'll get some readings on the controller itself. But yeah, so let's go ahead and go over this way or that way, or whichever way I have the video come in from, and let's take a look to see what it does. Alright, so here we are. It's not as bright as I would like it to be, but I figure we'll go ahead and give it a shot just to see what we can see.
Take off. 3, 2, 1. Land.